The all-new Lexus RX 350 revolutionizes luxury SUVs permanently during this presentation. The all-new 26 Lexus RX 350 is a complete redesign rather than an ordinary upgrade. Lexus redesigned the RX by tearing up previous design principles to create a vehicle that matches intelligence to its speed while offering total futuristic qualities. Please take my word for it, because what follows will command your full attention until the video's conclusion. The internal system of this Lexus vehicle features an innovative breakthrough. The brand new 2.4-litre turbocharged engine has taken over the original V6 engine, which delivers quicker performance and enhanced fuel efficiency together with advanced responsiveness. But that's just the beginning. Lexus delivers itself as a model that comes standard with hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, which enable advanced performance and incredibly low fuel usage. The Lexus luxury SUV offers the driving power of a big vehicle combined with the efficiency of a smaller car. The exterior of this vehicle possesses a stunning, drop-dead gorgeous design. An entirely new design with an intensely bold and aggressive appearance identifies the complete transformation of the RX 350 by Lexus. That redesigned spindle grille? Sharper than ever. The LED headlights? Straight out of the future. The vehicle exudes a street-taming appearance from its large alloy wheels, even though it remains stationary. This luxury SUV goes beyond features by becoming a mobile statement that people would recognize anywhere. As you walk through the door, Lexus enters absolute science fiction territory. The system starts with its digital cockpit interface, together with its big, high-definition touchscreen and its AI voice command feature. This smart car outperforms all others by learning your typical behaviors and forecasting your requirements before operating similarly to a human associate. A 5-star hotel experience rolls down the road because of the soft-touch leather and panoramic sunroof, alongside customizable ambient lighting features. Once you enter the vehicle, Lexus reveals its futuristic nature. Besides these, it includes additional features such as a fully digital cockpit with a massive high-resolution touchscreen and an AI-powered voice assistant. The vehicle functions like an intelligent car that enhances itself by adapting to your routines and forecasting your requirements and reacts in ways that seem like it truly grasps your input. The Lexus combines luxurious comfort elements such as soft-touch leather, customizable ambient lighting, and panoramic sunroof technology, which results in a luxury hotel experience while driving. Lexus has been reported to be testing autonomous driving functions, which could match the capabilities of Tesla's autopilot system. The vehicle provides completely stress-free transportation on highways. Security always remains a top priority for Lexus while they deliver their automobiles to customers. The RX 350 comes with adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance systems, but also adds lane keeping assist capability and includes a 360-degree camera system that creates easy parking procedures. Now let's talk numbers. You can find the future-oriented Lexus masterpiece at the starting price point of $50,000. The fully featured premium version costs more than $60,000 when shopping for this model. Regarding the price-to-value ratio, Lexus stands superior to Mercedes and BMW alongside Audi. Your major concern should be whether the upcoming 2026 Lexus RX 350 stands as the ultimate luxury SUV at its available price. This vehicle might prove to be the best luxury SUV available for purchase. The SUV you seek should start and end with this vehicle in your search. But what do you think?